So this is the sculpture room. And that was your Duke. He looks like Ralph Fiennes, who played in the film The Duchess. And, well, I didn't find Napoleon, but Napoleon's mother I saw, and his sisters are here. Little dicks everywhere. Oh, these are splendid. But that's discus playing, that might be Achilles. This is an interesting one. There's a dog staring at his owner fast asleep. And then the eagle, I like that one. Peck your eyes out. Look at those claws. More little dicks. No one's got a big dick on these things. They use the muscles elsewhere. Now, I saw Napoleon's mother somewhere. Well, she's somewhere. I can't remember where I saw. Ah, no, that's not her. She was a very stern-looking creature. This is Christmas at Chatsworth. Yeah. Ah, here it is. Napoleon's martyr. There we are. Got ya. Yep. You look a bit severe. Yeah, look what lot of trouble your son caused, eh? Yes. Oh, well, that's very nice. But Napoleon himself is somewhere in here, and they say, well, that's a very interesting one. That's some kind of two dogs taking fleas off each other or something. Look at those dandelions, aren't they splendid? Christmas decorations. Well, I haven't seen Napoleon's. Where's Bonaparte? Oh, I've seen her. We saw Achilles. Oh, yeah. Well, they seem to be in love. Yes, they seem to be in love. There wasn't a lot of love amongst the aristocracy. They married for money. Oh, yes, they did. And successions. Now, I saw Achilles. I'm sure. Oh, I think I filmed him. He had the little dick. Might have been one of Napoleon's sisters. Ah, this is Achilles. Yeah, I definitely photographed you. That's Achilles, and he's holding on to his ankle. Yes, well, there you go. Yeah, he's been done. Yep. Well, I don't know where Napoleon is. It says in there he's here. Oh, maybe that's him. Maybe that's Napoleon. He's got a cask-on helmet. It could be Napoleon. Well, anyway. Oh, I don't think they do Napoleon with a little dick. Oh, no. Oh, she's got a thorn in her finger or caught a butterfly or something. Oh, dear. A lot of marble. It was a very fine marble, apparently. That's from the Parthenon, is it? 18. There we go. That's a nice hairdo. Yep. Yeah, you look a bit fierce. Oh, yeah, look at that. God knows, I mean, you couldn't do anything in that pint. Have a bath in it. But it's splendid. Ah, maybe that's Napoleon. It says, do you look like Napoleon in the pictures? No, I don't know. Oh. That's very fine marble. Well, I've seen her a few times now. Napoleon's martyr. Oh, yes. You're swimming, bathing. Oh, there's a cobra around you. Oh. there's a snake. Alright, well, these lions look a bit fed up. Look at that. He's fed up, aren't you? Yeah? You're exhausted, eh? Well, there's another one who's half asleep, this one. And on that note, it's time for the shops and gardens. Well, of course, it's a bit of return your multimedia guide. I don't remember taking one. I didn't take one. Didn't say about multimedia guide. Anyway, this is where you buy your artifacts. I don't know what's in here. Oh, this is all Christmas advent calendar. Oh, and Chatsworth Christmas cards. Oh, yep, fridge magnets. Oh, I'm sure there's something for everyone here. Right, off we go.